Foundationally, the Mediterranean diet has abundant amount of fruits and vegetables. So really that's kind of key. And we know that all varieties of different fruits and vegetables have a variety of different antioxidants, phytochemicals, phytonutrients, some more than others, but they all provide some. And the variety is the key because you're going to get that a variety of those benefits. So we have fruits and vegetables, grains. So if you are going to choose grains, they're whole grains, minimally processed, things like oats and quinoa, barley, avoiding any refined products. So refined flour-based product. Fish is a foundational source of protein in the Mediterranean diet. Fish high in omega-3 have been shown to suppress that inflammation even further. Omega-3 fatty fish are things like salmon and herring, tuna, mackerel, sardines, sea bass. Those are good sources of omega-3. Legumes are another foundational part of the Mediterranean diet. Legumes include dried beans and lentils. So any kind of bean, they all provide great benefit, and variability here is again key. One thing that commonly comes up when you're following a diet or an eating plan is that it can be bland. In the Mediterranean, they use olive oil very freely and very generously. And it does provide a lot of great flavor to the food that they're eating. And then there's a lot of polyphenols in olive oil that has been shown to be protective from a cholesterol standpoint, a blood pressure standpoint, a lot of proven benefits to extra virgin olive oil. The key is to find enjoyment out of food. There's so much variety and so many options in the Mediterranean diet, just a matter of finding what you like as a part of the Mediterranean diet and instilling those on a regular basis.